Hi friends, welcome to my hideout. My name is Shri and today I bring you the unboxing video of PoCo F1 by Xiaomi. This is by far the cheapest phone having Snapdragon 845. I bought it from Flipkart on the first flash sale. It is also available on me.com. I tried on both apps simultaneously but was successful through Flipkart. I desired the base black version but ended up getting the steel blue one. Here is the unboxing and the first impression video of PoCo F1 Indian Retail Unit. As you can see, this is made in India product. So let's open it. In the box you get a soft case to protect the device, but I will recommend you should get a better one as it has rather loose fitting. It also comes with quick charger in the box and a Type-C cable. There are no earphones included. The steel blue polycarbonate back looks good and shiny, which is not a fingerprint magnet. The red rings around the dual camera also looks cool. My initial thoughts of few days usage is that the performance and battery is great, build quality and screen is good, camera and speakers are satisfactory. For more videos on PoCo F1 like heavy games review and detailed camera review, stay tuned to the channel and click the bell.